Hey guys, welcome back to One Up Gaming with Aiden. I've noticed that you have to watch some of my other videos and look through the comments section. But I've noticed that two people wanted to know how to record. So I'm going to show you how to record. Before this video starts, be sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a cool video. Okay, so first of all, let's get to the basics. How to record. Now, what you want to do is you want to download the software right here called QuickTime Player. Then once that's done, you're basically good to go. But here's the problem. So you have to go to File, New Screen Recording. Make sure to have the volume down because I actually had to delete a video because I heard myself echoing, which wasn't good. So be sure to turn down the volume if you ever want to, record a video without echoing. So yeah. So like I said, go to QuickTime Player, go to File. Also, you may get confused. Let's look quick. So there's QuickTime. Once you download QuickTime Player, there's QuickTime Player and QuickTime Player 7. Now, what you want to do is get QuickTime Player. That one is totally free. I don't know how to link it in the description, so you guys are just gonna have to search it in the App Store. So, why I don't want you guys to get QuickTime Player 7, it costs money. So if you're low on money, I'd recommend QuickTime Player. It really gets the job done. Oh, that was my Switch that I just slammed. Okay, now once you're done with the video, once you're done recording, okay, I think it's time for me to upload it, you'll see, hold on, let me just record it real quick. You'll see that button right there. Once you're done recording, click it and then it'll stop. Hooray! You just got your first video finished. Now, the uploading part. So, what you want to do is download a software called iMovie. If you have a Mac computer or an iPhone or an iPad, iMovie should already be there. So, let's just delete all that because we don't really need it. So, what you want to do, let's upload this one right here. What you want to do is drag the QuickTime file, just give it a minute, and then boom. Then it should be good to go. Now right here, look up my mouse right there, the upload button, you want to click that YouTube, and then just enter any title, any description, any links, and then any tags, and then let's see, so this is all the themes that you could have. Politics, music, how-to, and style, gaming. Half of the time I do gaming because all my videos are basically gaming. And subscribe if you haven't already. So yeah. Then you would hit next and then publish, blah, blah, blah. I don't want to publish this because, it'd be weird. So, once you're done with that, you just have to give it a little bit. The longer your video is, the longer the wait. Let's say I upload a 15-minute video, you'd probably have to wait, I'd say, a few hours or so. With 30 minutes, I'm pretty sure, a whole lot of hours. If it's an hour video, I haven't posted an hour video, so I'm not sure. I think it may take a day to upload, so just watch out. Watch how much your video length is. And once you're done uploading your video, what you want to do is go to www.youtube.com. Then you want to click right here where your little thing is. So it'll be different for you because you have your own title thing. What you want to do is you want to click it. I'm just gonna use this one. And I just uploaded another video a few minutes ago, 8 minutes ago actually, and it's already there. I used this exact method to get my video published to One Up Gaming with Aiden. If you guys want to know how to get a face cam like I do, let me know. If this video gets, let's say, 5 to 10 likes, I'll do a tutorial on a face cam. Alright guys, I will see you in the next one. Subscribe, like,